Hi! So kami ay pupunta sa susunod na, ano ba ito? Day 4. Day 4 na pala. Day 4 na ba?
So, una yung pupunta kami ng Ichon.
So pupunta namin yung family nila, yung relatives ni Jean.
Pamangkin ko at saka yung pinsan ko.
Yes, so...
Probinsya kasi sila, hindi sila susunod.
yes. So may pamangkin siyang half Korean.
Yes, so pakilala namin ang
Half
tapos,
Korean, half Pinoy.
tawag dito. Since nandun naman na kami at malapit na sa namin island, pupunta na rin kami sa namin island.
Yes. So nakapunta ka na ba doon?
Pero winter.
Ito naman rainy season.
Rainy season pala na.
Cloudy naman daw ngayon. So hindi naman siya
Sana hindi
maulan.
ulan.
So, yun. Ano pang gagawin natin today?
Doon gagala, kakain, tapos try daw sa lepiti.
Yung Prince?
Little Prince. So, pati ko pa napunta.
So, itutour kami siguro ng pinsan ni Jane.
Asawa.
Tsaka asawa. Kasi, syempre sila yung taga dito. So, ito yung train station nila. So, anong comment mo sa train station nila, Jane?
Very efficient. Tsaka mas madali ito. Navigate ko. Sa Japan.
Okay. Saka, meron ka nitong Never app.
Neighborhood.
Napapamilyas ka sa Neverhood.
Wala na aking taste face.
Ay! So, makikita mo kung ano yung subway stations.
Kahit na hindi ka na mag-neighbor up, kahit na tingnan mo yan ang
Tayo dito.
ang mga color-coded, kayang-kaya yun.
Yes. So, yung iba kasi, nag-Uber pa pero kaya naman yung train.
Sa Japan kasi mas nakakalito doon. Kaya kailangan mo i-Google Maps. Dito kasi kaya hindi ka na mag-neighbor up. Sundan mo na yung mga line na yung color-coded. Mas madali dito.
So, maganda at saka very efficient. Kung nasa Pilipinas yung ganito, definitely,
Mas masaya.
yeah,
Mas madali mag
papunta sa Quezon City, Pasig, gano'n, Makati, mas madali. Kasi connect lang. Okay?
Yes.
Sige. So, ano bang plano natin? I-meet ba natin yung ibang mga fellow?
Mamaya daw. Tingnan natin.
Tignan natin kung may time pa.
Pero
Baka Myeongdong.
gusto namin yung dong or doon na sa atin sa Gangnam. Kasi masaya doon. Puro shopping mall.
Quiet lang kasi yung sa amin. So, very siya. Ayaw namin ng
Gusto ko ang
maraming tao.
neighborhood doon.
Masyadong crowded yung Myeongdong.
Mga culture shock.
Okay, bye.
Why? So you will guess in YouTube channel.
Oh, ito na. Guess na.
Oh!
Hi guys! So after 1.5 hour train ride, ito na kami sa Ichon.
Yes.
City.
So, ano bang Ichon?
Ichon City.
Oh.
Outskirts of
A part of
countries.
Gyeonggi-do province.
Ayan.
Outskirts ay countryside na.
Oo.
So, may bagong guest.
We have a special guest.
Shy.
Do not be shy. You'll be seen in the
This is
vlog.
my nephew.
This is my tita.
Kita.
So,
Okay.
introduce your name. What's your name?
My name is Kyungwon.
Kyungwon. Okay. And this is...
My
Cousin.
cousin.
Hello.
This is their place. Okay. What's your name? Introduce yourself.
Okay, kami na Ganyan lang ako. Nagigising ko na.
And this is her home. Bahay niya to.
Yeah. Very nice home. Oh, very nice. A very nice home.
Hindi yung mga food namin, nasa labas lang.
It's okay. It's very nice. What's the name of pinsan?
Leia.
Ate Leia. Very nice. Nice to meet you.
Ayan. So, Kyungwon will in this next month.
Wow, military. Oh, good luck.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ready? How to...
You have uniform already?
Ready?
I know.
You need to cut your hair.
Yeah. I need to cut the hair.
Oh, let's buy uniform. Military uniform.
Ayun.
Okay.
So, army daw siya. Sa army siya. Army? Army?
Yeah.
Korean
Doggy.
Army.
Wow.
Korean Army.
This is Maru?
Maru!
Maru!
Ano yun? Si ano yun? Maru?
Ito the vlog. Mag-picture kayong tatlo. Picture ko kayo.
Ring the grab the
The?
yeah.
The what? The?
So, ito ang typical Korean apartment.
Next.
Magkano daw, Jean, ang rental?
330,000 won. Mura na, 10,000 plus.
Tapos may association juice pa. Let's go.
Asa na naman siya eh?
Your tita.
Ano na? Okay.
Association juice, 20,000.
Okay, then baka makita natin dito yung kapitbahay nila.
Napakagita.
Alam naman tatay ko, siya yung genius.
May pa-suggestion pa.
Suggestion pa eh.
Oh. Okay. So this is what an apartment complex in the countryside looks like. Yan.
Sinabi naman.
So at least meron tayong experience nung city, the hustle and bustle, and now the simple life in the countryside. Yan. So kung taga probinsya kami ni Jane, dito kami nakatira. So meron pang isang car sila. This is the bigger car. In the army.
Navy, diba? It's difficult, right, in Navy?
Yeah, it's different.
Why is it difficult?
Because they hard training every day. Just like swimming.
Compared to
The army.
army.
Yeah.
Why? What do they? What it's like in the army? How's the experience now in the army? Easier,
Easier. Yeah.
according to people.
But some like just normally.
Oh, okay. How about the Air Force?
Airport is too easily.
Was it easy?
Easy? Why? I thought army is I thought Air Force is one of the hardest
Yeah.
also.
Yeah, but too easily.
Navy, Marines. How about Marines? They're the most difficult.
I know. Yeah, it was difficult.
Why?
Because every day hard training like some every day hard training.
Do you have to know how to swim? You know how to swim? Is it required that you know how to swim in the Navy or Marines?
Yeah, because I don't like swimming.
Oh, so it's required to swim in the Marine.
I can't.
Tatay ko naman, akala mo naman, gusto niya, ano yun, Navy?
Navy Reserve.
My friend joined the Navy already.
Oh, iniwan mo yung aso. Bawal yan sa Pilipinas. Okay, we're gonna eat Korean food. Authentic Korean restaurant. Hindi namin maintindihan kasi lahat yan naka-Korean. Followers in YouTube. You should follow your tita. Follow in YouTube. 120.
121 only.
Yeah, that's a lot already. So, Kyung-hoon, the nephew, served us water because he... in Korea, why?
Korea, explain.
Explain why in Korea
You are the one who's serving us
the water.
The youngest you do.
Why?
You understand Korean spirit, like something like that.
Yeah,
it's a Korean person.
The food, the drinks, and the eldest will
Eat first.
eat first.
First.
Okay. So we will wait for ano nga?
Nim.
Yung nim. Yeah.
Yung nim.
Yung nin?
Kasi diba, nim.
Yung nim.
Yung brother, nim. As first.
Okay.
Yung nim.
At pag sa Korean, yung nim mo isa. Kasama ni Jane, ano yung nim.
Nim. Ah. Okay.
Kasi sa hospital dati.
So what are these food?
What?
What's this?
This?
Oh, all of it. Describe us what the food is.
Kimchi.
Kimchi.
And with lettuce.
Kimchi, traditional food. Diba?
Yeah, and then
Radish.
Radish.
Kimchi.
In Korean, itaku.
Okay, and then
Radish.
wasabi.
What is this kimura?
Wasabi.
Radish. Wasabi pala.
Itakugi.
Anya,
Yan, ano na, 안지래요.
Okay, go.
ano to?
Go, Jean. Anong tawag dito? Ate?
Bitang. Kimura. Kimura, what is this?
What?
What is that?
Food?
Yeah.
갈비탕.
Galbitang.
Parang bulalo daw sa atin. So, ikakat daw na.
So you have to cut it and then...
And eat it.
Wait, mag-cut ka muna dyan. So this is our soup. Kyunghon. Kyunghon will show you. will show you how to eat it. Show us how to eat it. Oh, like that. Do you use rice?
Yeah.
Nice shirt.
Okay. Ayan. We're entering a simple cafeteria. Annyeong. Annyeong. This is Jane's in-laws family. So they have toy poodle. And this is the cafe nearby their house.
친구랑 동반이 돼 있어.
아, 공간이 때?
아니 친구랑 가면 괜찮네. 그러면은 조금 그 배치 받을 때 저기 조금 키즈에
So subtitle na lang ni Jane.
Mga sister-in-law.
Oh, isa subtitle na lang. Naintindihan mo yung sinasabi?
Ano sabi nila?
Bibisitahin natin yung bahay ni Opa, ay ni Ajus, ni Tatay. Yes. We'll visit the house. So is it far from here? It's just near. Oh, very near. So this is the house. Korean house. Looks nice. Naku, pwede ba i-vlog? Okay, wag na.
Hindi pwede
Nasaan na dyan? Hindi ko makita.
Nandito siya.
Ponggyo.
He's 4 years.
Oh, 4 years old.
1 year old. Hi, good boy! Good boy!
Cannot understand English. No English.
Good boy!
Kyokta! No English.
Good boy! Cute niya, oh.
Good boy even with strangers.
얘 약간 관심종자.
Sakit!
What's that? Ano sinabi mo, Jane?
Hindi ko alam.
Ay, nagsiselos. Oh.
아니 얘는 왜 이렇게
Good.
언니하고 뽀뽀 없으니까 이렇게 낑낑 에버랜드.
Okay, this is the local caramel macchiato. Anong pangalan ng coffee shop na to, Jane? Kada ma-endorse mo sa vlog mo?
Sarap.
Anong pangalan? Sabi mo wala anong
What's the
pangalan?
name of the coffee shop?
His coffee shop?
Yeah. Very good.
Coffee.
Yeah. Caramel macchiato by, cafe.
Cafe.
Usum.
Sarap siya.
Yeah, masarap nga siya.
Papalpitate kami dito. Dessert.
In Korean.
Bawal tumanggo dito.
Oo.
Baka magkain kami dito. Mamaya.
So guys, andyan na sila? So, ito ang parang SLEX.
Stopover. Na may, ano pa, charging ng electronic vehicle.
Asan sila? Wala pa?
So guys, nagpunta kami sa parang Korean house nung pinsan,
Husband ng
husband
pinsan
ng
ko.
pinsan ni Jay. So very typical Korean house. Na nandun si
Abu G.
Abu G. So parang merong doon.
Father.
Father na very respectful kami sa kanya.
Kailangan mag-insa kami.
Yes,
So,
hindi sila sanay na nag-picture taking.
Pero nakapag-picture
So,
kami.
So, yan, very nice naman, very accommodating sila. Pero hindi talaga sila nagsasalita.
Ah,
Ha? Oo. So, yun, medyo hindi talagang may language barrier. So,
tapos hindi kami...
Nakit daw.
So, we are going to Nami Island. So, ito yung ewan ko, parking lot nila. So, I think we're gonna cross somewhere. Si Jay nawawala na. There's the toilet. O talaga. Oh, yan ang Nami Island. Jane, ito. How much will pay? Give them. Ayan naman ako.
5 person? Yeah.
So this is how you get the ticket.
So, ano kuya na video mo na? So, it's kuya's first time here in Nami Island.
Yes. Okay. So,
Buti naman, hindi maulan.
Oo. Ano ba ang Nami Island, Jane? Separate island siya from the mainland. Pero ano lang yata maliit lang na island. Okay, may immigration pa di Jay. O Jane, bakit daw may immigration?
Magka-size ba kayo kuya?
Sino? Size 7 lang ako Small ako. Okay, we're waiting for the ferry. doon sa banda doon, yung mga ferry. Ang lalaking ferry. Ayan. Ang pagdating ng mga turista. Ganyan rin gagawin namin. Ay, sorry. Tatawid lang naman kami sa other side. Yan. So, pumapasok na kami sa barko. Barko. Sa ferry. Yan. Diba? Subic Bay lang ang datingan. 5 minutes lang daw, 5 to 10 minutes. So ano na naman ang ibig sabihin ng mga bansang ito? Yung mga flag.
Wala tayo.
Diyan tayo.
May Canada, China.
May Japan, may China.
Walang Japan ka. May ngayon Japan, di ba?
Kagaan dun, no?
Bakit? Ano?
Katabi ng USA.
Ato ba? Pilipinas.
Hindi eh. Wala. Lahat ng mga kasama sa war. Oh, nag-zipline. Papunta sa kabilang island. Ano what did he show you? What did he show you?
Yeah. Like flamber, like so Korea flamber, like Philippine flamber.
Hi!
Makahay ka naman.
Alam mo mga kaibigan mo, there's the Philippine flag together with the Korean flag. Also there. Yeah. There, katabi niya yung Chinese flag. Which is, ayaw ka na sabihin. Which is disrespectful, joke lang.
Kuya maglakad.
Ganito ang ganap. Ito yung ano namin, itsura namin. So, papunta na po kami sa Nami Island. O, go Jean. Ikaw nasa harap kasi wala tayo una eh. Here is Nami Island. Welcome. Galing. 5 minutes lang. No more. Very nice. Oh, let's wait for them.
It's Vietnamese.
Naminara. What is Nara mean? What is Nara mean? Ano po yung Nara mean?
What?
What does Nara? Naminara.
Naminara. Maybe here?
Yeah.
Like these islands.
Naminara is the name. Oh.
Another.
The longer name because we all usually call it Nami Island. Ayan. What are these flowers? Are these real flowers? This is the best spot. Ayan o, very symmetrical spacing. Sige, sige. Gusto mo yan eh. Symmetrical spacing of different of the trees. So nice. Gusto ko dito eh. Kaya. Sa sobrang daming tao.
Sobrang daming tao eh.
Ito dito. Ito na oh, maki-clean up na. Mawawala na yung mga tao. Sige. So, ang ganda na itong area na to. Ayan. So, ito yung mga different countries that we all love. O, di ba you like Ola? Dami! Malaki pa, no? O, di exercise. But you heard of it already before. You heard of Nami Island before.
But it's more popular to the tourists.
For the tour.
For the tourists.
Ayan, mas maganda yung ano ngayon, yung lighting ngayon. So, pwede tayo mag-vlog. Okay, we're with Jane's family.
And we're with Kyungwon na! Kyungwon!
Dongwon na. So, you have to teach us Korean words. The basic Korean words. Yeah. Here, in Jane's vlog. Okay, so, for example, we want to say that this place is beautiful. How do you say it?
In Korea?
Yeah.
Korean!
이곳은 아름답습니다.
Okay, go Jane.
야.
Repeat it, Jane.
이곳은 아름답습니다.
Igusong arumdapsimida.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
so
correct.
that means this place is beautiful.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, dahil nandito yung mga kamag-anak ni Jane, picture-picture tayo sa lahat ng lugar. Yan. O, di ba? At least hindi super init, pero hindi naman umuulan. O, game. Solo ka dyan sa gitna, Jane. Identified. Marami. Pasyal-pasyal ka lang. Ay. Anong tawag dun sa panunian? Post. Candid. Para sa'yo, Maru. Para sa'yo. Baho, ano yun? Ano pang mga natutunan mo, Jane, na ano? Korean?
Ipuda.
What's that?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Handol set.
Hana.
Hanadol set.
1, 2,
Ano yun?
Ay, pang.
Pangit.
Chincha?
Araso. What's araso?
I don't know.
Araso means...
I don't know idea.
How about araso?
Oh,
Kyungwon, what's araso? What does araso? What's that mean? Okay, araso.
Kino, identify?
As well.
Egg tart, baka masarap. May egg tart mo sila, wala eh. Wala. Hanadol set. Oh, wow. If you want, share tayo, Jane, ulit.
Yung hutok na masarap.
Ano yun?
Masarap yun yung street food nila.
Kamsahamnida. Yeah, I'm Korean.
Panata na yung
Do I look Korean?
Strawberry din.
Ay, hot. Ah, okay, sa'yo, dem.
Maro. Kumakain ba yun hindi namin pinapakain. Ng pagkain.
Anong ginagawa natin? Korean ice cream.
Korean island.
What is delicious in Korean?
맛있다.
Nashta.
Masita.
Yeah.
Mashita. Yeah, mashita. So, kailangan namin malaman yung information about Nami Alam.
Babasahin na lang namin mamaya.
Update namin kayo.
kayo. Update niyo po.
Yes, kasi mukha siyang island pero walang nakatira. So ang tanong, bakit ginawa tong island na to? At bakit wala na yung mga tao? Diba? Sino yung mamanage? Diba? General Nami kasi ang ano, mukhang dedicated para sa kanya to. General Nami. Johnson. How about June 25, 1950? You know that?
What?
June 25.
happened during June 25, 1950?
June 25?
June 25.
Is there in North Korea and South
Ah,
Korea?
Very good!
Graduate Korean.
Okay, because we just read about it yesterday. Because you forgot.
Very good.
So what else can you share about Korean history?
I don't know. What?
What else can you share about Korean history? Who's your national hero?
National hero?
Yeah.
Lee Sung-shin.
Who is that? And why is he the national hero?
Because he attacked Japan. They
Mm,
protect Korean.
from Japan.
Yeah, from Japan.
Mm,
He's
okay.
a great person.
He's a leader.
Yeah, he's a leader, general. Lee Sung-shin.
Okay. So do you celebrate his death anniversary or you
No.
there's nothing like that?
We just learn history books.
Oh, okay. shrimp. Okay. So, dito yung location ng Winter Sonata. Na hindi ko naman napanood. So, comment down below kung ano ba tong Winter Sonata na to. At kung meron kayong kopya ng episodes. Charot. So, what is Winter Sonata about?
I did not watch Winter Sonata. You watched
Have you watched Winter Sonata?
I didn't watch, but I know.
Okay.
You
So, this is the Winter Sonata shooting area.
comment down below.
Comment down below kung makikwento nyo sa amin ng mabilis kung ano ang Winter Sonata. Ayan. So, nagpipicture sila dyan kasi sobrang sikat siguro. Okay.